Hello, my name is Daciano, and I'm creating this series on my channel where I'm gonna solve one Leetcode per day. The first one is gonna be two sum, so I'm gonna read the description for it. So, given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return instances of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So it's a fairly simple problem. I'm gonna use this color draw to better explain this. In this case, I'm gonna be using 7 as a target and this array. The best way to solve this is to create a hash map and map those numbers. But yeah, I'm gonna do step by step. So I'm gonna create a hash map right here. I will call this previous. Um, and yeah, so we are iterating to this. We have the target right here, and we'll subtract the target with each number and check if the result of that is on the hash map or not. If it's not, I just add the number and the index of it and go to the next one and do this until I found the solution. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. It's not what I wanted. I don't have anything on my hash map, so I just put 2 and the index of 2, which in this case is 0. I do 7 minus 3, which is 4. We have 4 on the array, but not on the hash map, so there's no way that the program can identify that 4 over here. So we just add 3 on the hash map and 1, which is the position of the 3. And we do the same with 4, which is 3. We check on the hash map and we have a 3. So we return the index of the 3, which is 1 in this case, and the position of 4, which is 2 in this case. And yeah, the solution would be 1 and 2. The time complexity of it will be O(n) because in the worst scenario we could check the whole array. And the space complexity is also O(n) because we are creating a hash map. So yeah, I will jump to the code right now. So the first thing I do is to create the hash map. In this case, I will call prev map, and I will iterate for the index and the number, and I'll use enumerate in Python so that this can track both the index and the number at the same time. And the first thing that I do is to find the difference between the target and the number. And then I check if this difference is in the hash map. So this. And if so, I return the index of the number in the hash map and the index of the number that we are iterating right now. If not, I just add this through the hash map is equal to y to I. Since it's guaranteed to have a solution, I'm going to just return -1. So we run. It passed. I'm gonna submit it, and it passes.